we're over time, but I do still have a demo. But I mean, like, if people need to run or whatever,
That's always true.
yeah.
We could stay longer. There's always time for demos.
Just gonna demo some table stuff. Um, so like, I guess actually the first thing is that Frozen Columns landed. I demoed it when it was in development, but it's here, so you can freeze all fields to the left of any non-pivoted value and do this kind of thing. Works for calcs outside of pivots also. So like you can't, these guys don't freeze, but you can freeze these ones. So frozen columns have landed. The next thing is I'm working on doing some like dimension grouping. So there's some requests to like deduplicate the table sum. So we don't just have like 2021 all the way down here. And the initial swipe at that we're going to take is leveraging some of the um, subtotal work that Stephen put in forever ago. So if you don't know, you can like actually add subtotals from the header menu, and they will give you this sort of like inline subtotal rows. Um, and so the thought was that we could leverage that as more of a like viz type feature where we group dimensions. And if you group the dimensions, what we'll do is we'll turn on subtotals for all of the dimensions that you have unpivoted, and then you can open them up and like dig into them basically. So it makes the tables a little bit more compact, and that state is perpetuated. So, but then if you swipe this off, it'll turn off subtotals and ungroup all your data. And to keep my state. We don't really have like open up full column or anything like that yet, but there's some like work being done here. Trying to think if there's anything else interesting to show here. I guess you can still unsubtotal things via the header menu if you don't like having everything on all at once. So you could get this behavior, but by default this will be like an all or nothing type thing, and then you can go in and fine tune it.
Very cool.